This is Barn Bluff. I am right here. Parking lot is here. Oh my gosh, look at all the cars parked. This must have been the day everybody was climbing. I'm going to go up to the climbing area, which is this. So go right around boat face. That leads up. Easy way to the top. I'll do that maybe next time. But I'm going up here to do some filming. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a hiking action cam. And I'm carrying a whole bunch of stuff. So it's even going to be even more fun. I've always wanted to come in here just bomb down this on my bike, but it's a hiking trail and that probably wouldn't be a good idea. But boy, these things would be fun to drop off of. As the title states, and as you can see, this is actually before they did the trail rework and overhaul here. So that's pretty cool. You get to see a before and after. Also, you'll note my constant thoughts on coming down this on the bike. And this would actually be a pretty insane trail to come down on, but now it's actually gotten a lot better. And they've put in a lot more steps and other things here too. So you'll probably see that here as we continue up. I was really expecting there to be more people here, but I pulled in and then a bunch of people pulled in behind me. Got a double black diamond right here for hiking. I've come down that many times. I've never gone up it. Looks like somebody's put some logs across it, or they've fallen recently. Actually, we're coming to one of the lime kilns. Here it is right here. They actually closed it up a few years ago, but I did a film when that white part was open. You could actually climb in there. I think somewhere somebody has a picture of me standing in there. The railroad tracks are just to my right, down probably 3 stories. I'm actually in my work shoes. But, and I don't think there's any bathrooms up here either. It's just so. I've actually gone back this way a little ways. It doesn't go very far. But this is the way up. And they've actually put logs across, more so than before, to help with the erosion. But I've always wanted to come down this part on my bike too. It would be, they could close these and have a downhill race for hiking, close these for hiking for a day. Have a all-out downhill bike race here. It would be, as you can see, it would be epic, beyond belief. I just hope I have enough battery. Of note here is that this part of the trail actually kind of stayed the same. They did put a couple of stabilizers in here and so forth. But I also should mention that this was done on the ProScan Action Cam, and you're going to see ProScan versus GoPro here in a second. I haven't been up here at all yet this year. Yeah, we're coming up to it, I think, now. Constant jingling is my keys. Okay, here comes the... That's not that bad. I mean, it's just ledge after ledge after ledge. This would be a doozy. But this right here would really be... This would be tough to do. I don't think this is the big one. That's a big one right there. Okay, here we go. Here's the big drop. Yeah. That's probably... Goes up to my knee. So it's probably close to 2 feet. We're almost there, folks. Relax. I guess so there's so many offshots on this. Alright, so we are walking down the Downhill World Championship Trail. We'll see if this has changed at all with the trail development. It looks like they put in a few more logs, possibly. Yeah, actually they put in steps. These steps are new. So they did this. Before it was a log and a drop. Now they're steps. It's a lot of work to put these steps in. Oh, here we go. Here's one of the big drops. Yeah, they still got some terrain here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here's one of the big drops. Foosh. Then you got this one. Foosh. Oh, that's not the end of it. Here's another one. Foosh. I've always wanted to bike down this path. Not so much now that they put the steps in, but this part would be okay. Then you take a sharp right here, and you bounce around back and forth between the trees.
Right.
They've actually, looks like they've done some work on a trail down there. Yeah. For sure. This is new. Yeah.
Not really.
That's new. I don't know what they're doing there. Trail goes this way. It goes down and there's a nice sharp turn and then it levels out. But this is where you can access the top of the kiln too. We're actually walking over one of the lime kilns right now. It's right down there. We'll see it when you come around. I was gonna say, I would slip on a rock and I'd be rolling down the hill. That's how Ken Knoll gets downhill, he rolls.
I believe it.
Original Kiwanis staircase on the other side of the bluff, and we might do this trail. I like the camera tilted a little forward so you can see craziness, especially when I go, oh! Here's our first rock obstacle, but this is what it's like the whole way. Well, not the whole way, but can you imagine going through here on a bike?